Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nunajia binti Rosdi. My number matric is S70996. Today I will present a case study on the rise of investment scam in Malaysia, a social media dilemma. Investment scams are becoming more common in Malaysia, especially through social media platform. In this presentation, I will analyze how this scam happen, the role of technology, and what can be done to prevent financial losses. Today, I want to talk about a serious and growing problem in Malaysia, investment scam on social media. Scammers are using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to trick people. They create fake ads, pretend to be famous influencer, and promote fake investment, saying that promise high return. What more worry is that they now use advanced technology like artificial intelligence. Some scams include deepfake video and fake website that look very real. This makes it hard for people to tell what true and what not. Let me share a real case study. Mr. Ahmad, a 35 years old engineer, was scammed through a fake cryptocurrency SIM. He saw a social media post by someone who looked like a trust figure and decided to invest RM50,000. At first, he saw profit on a fake website, but when he tried to take out his money, he was asked to pay extra fees. Then the scammer disappeared and he lost everything. Question is describe how social media platforms contribute to the rise of investment scam in Malaysia. Provide real-life examples and suggest potential countermeasures. So, how social media platforms contribute to investment scam? Social media platforms have made it easier for scammers to reach a large number of people quickly. Fraudsters use fake investment, create false profile, and even work with fake influencers to make their scam look real. For example, in our case study, Mr. Ahmad was convinced to invest in a cryptocurrency scene after sharing positive testimonies and endorsement from a well-known influencer. To counter this scam, social media companies should verify all financial advertisements, educate users about scam risks, and work closely with authorities to remove suspicious content. Second, illustrate the role of AI in modern scam and evaluate how it complicates scam detection and prevention strategy. Next, the role of AI modern scam. Artificial intelligence or AI help make scam more advanced. Scammers now use AI to create deep fake video and voice, and even clone websites to look like real financial institutions. This makes it very difficult for both users and authorities to detect scam because the fake content look very convincing. To fight this, we need advanced AI tool that can detect scam pattern and continuous update to security system. 3. Analyze the psychological factors that make individuals like Mr. Ahmad more easily affected by online investment fraud. Physiological factors that make people vulnerable. There are several reasons why people like Mr. Ahmad fall for this scam. First, the promise of high return creates excitement and a fear of missing out. Second, people tend to trust influencers and believe testimony even if they are fake. Finally, many people lack financial literacy, making it easier for scammers to trick them. Formulate a cybersecurity framework that organizations and individuals can adopt to safeguard against investment scams on digital platforms. Cybersecurity framework for protection to protect against investment scams. Organizations and individuals should follow a strong cybersecurity framework. This includes regular awareness training using multi-factor authentication verified investment platform and having clear way to report suspicious activities. Continuous monitoring with AI tool can also help detect scam early. Give policy recommendation for the Malaysia government to enhance public awareness and enforcement action against online investment fraud. Policy recommendation for the Malaysian government. The government can play a big role in fighting online investment scams. They should launch nationwide awareness campaigns, tighten regulation on financial act and influencer, and invest in cybercrime enforcement. Collaboration between the government, social media company, and banks is also important to respond quickly to scams. Reporting mechanism should be simple and widely promoted. In conclusion, investment scams are a growing problem in Malaysia, especially through social media. We need a combination of awareness technology and strong regulation to protect the public. Let us all stay alert, verify before investing, and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. That's all for me. Thank you.